Guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I had a night, well, Daniela, well, okay, it all started with us doing, I was doing a flower mirror for my sister's friend, and so she was like, oh, that's cute, but then she wanted to paint her mirror, so that's what we're gonna do today. And we have the mirror already on the floor, and she's picking out her paint, and so we're gonna get started with this idea that she has. So it should be cute. And then what are we gonna do? In this video we're gonna bake cake and cupcakes and everything. So it's gonna be fun. Okay, so what color are you picking? Oh, that's cute. I like this pink, the brighter pink.
Yeah.
And the brighter yellow. Actually, everything that's not pastel.
Okay, these?
Yeah.
Okay.
All right.
And then this brown is to make this one, right?
Oh wait, show them the picture. That's what she's trying to do.
Can you see?
Yeah. But we're gonna do it down here. So I want to scoot this like down.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Should I'm gonna use this tape.
Oh, true. The one that's just the sides.
Yeah.
Should
If I can even. What?
You're gonna try to what?
Draw it first.
Oh.
That's way too small, right?
Yeah. Danielle, it's supposed to be like the whole.
No, I know. But like, okay, like for the sun part.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Like the sun should be like huge. On the bottom.
Really?
Mhm.
So, but if it's huge, I won't be able to do these.
Oh. You're
Is that
correct.
good? Or should I make it bigger?
That's perfect. Now that I see that your vision.
My vision.
Yeah.
Do I even have this even? Let's hope so. Okay, that was easy.
Oh my god.
What?
You should have never told me. Like, seriously? Once I start, I can't finish eating these Oreos.
You don't stop until the bag is empty.
I know.
Oh my god.
I know.
Wait. Why does it taste better today?
No. Like,
I love it.
when we were like sitting on the couch, it didn't like taste nice. Like, it didn't. But I know.
Now it tastes like.
I know. I could just not eat the whole time. Not even do the mirror. Okay.
Rain check, let's just eat Oreos. Okay. I don't even know how this works.
I don't know either, so.
Thanks! Just kidding.
You're welcome.
Oh my god, I'm so... Chips! I want some chips! Give me some chips!
Oh my god, that was so fun.
Oh yeah. Oh, I forgot about these.
We're just gonna be referencing our whole vlog.
What? Oh my god, yeah.
Like the whole time.
Just in case you didn't watch the last two vlogs. Go watch it!
Wait. Go watch it!
Go watch it!
Because that's what good Facebook girls do.
what to say this whole time.
No.
Because it was just dead quiet, and you go, because that's what Visco girls do.
Go down together. They'll say you could do anything. They'll say that I was clever.
Monday to Sunday, it's never too late. So everyone say we don't wanna stop.
So we changed our plans because that sun did not work out. So we're actually using tape this time, and we're just gonna do triangles all over. So continue the time lapse. So we ended up not even finishing the mirror, but I updated you guys picture, but you guys get it. We were just gonna paint triangles all over, and then we baked a cake, frosted it, but we didn't film frosting it. Just know that we frosted and ate it, and then I left, and then that was pretty much it, and I went home. So yeah, it's so sad without her, but alright, so we're baking cupcakes now, and yeah, that's the moral of the story. She's coming down. We didn't update this vlog at all, really.
What?
Like this morning fell, like us painting a mirror.
Oh, that was that was crazy.
I can't really even see. Excuse me. Oh yeah.
It looks tall.
Not compared to me.
I'm just kidding. Okay.
Where's that? Put this in there. Yes,
Yeah.
so I can not rip this open and it falls everywhere. Or I can just rip it open. Oh, okay.
Excuses. How much? Yay! Woo!
Okay.
Fun. What do I do? Oh. Water. Yay.
Okay.
And oil.
It was just 1 cup of water.
Yeah.
Okay. I don't want to go everywhere yet. Or mix it all the way up yet. Well, that's how it's looking.
Like a cake. Delicious.
Like a mix.
No.
It's not like a cake.
Like a
because
cupcakes.
No, it's not like a mix because it's a...
Egg.
I mean, it's not like a cake because it's a mix.
It's cupcakes.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Well, it's a mix of a cupcake.
No.
It's a mix
It's
for
a
the
cupcakes.
cupcakes.
It's cupcakes in liquid. Oh, we didn't even put in the.
It's fine. You don't need to put it in right away. Yeah. Thought it was dark.
Yeah, I'm a chef.
Dang, did it really say 3 eggs?
Yeah.
Then I don't know nothing about bacon. Dang, it looks like we're making eggs now.
You're an egg. Oh my god, it does! Oh, it looks like a giant omelet.
Just look at this. Oh, amazing.
It's ready?
Mm-hmm.
That was fast. Oh, now I can see. Okay. Mix, okay. Beat by hand for 2 minutes. Pour into pan.
I can leave you just as fast. You should take me out in your fancy car and make out in the rain. Hope she treats you better than you treated me.
I'm way too good at goodbye. I'm way too good at goodbye. I'm way too good at goodbye.
Hi. See you later. Oh. See ya.